So these eggs are great for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. Absolutely delicious. Any vegetables work. What I'm using is 3 cups of cabbage shredded, and then like I say, you can add what you want. I'm going to go with 1 cup of celery, 2 cups of grated carrot. We're going to add some onion to that, 1 cup, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, fresh chili. I'm going to add some salt to taste, and then of course we're going to get some spices in there. I'm using 5, and we've got 1 teaspoon each: garam masala, cumin, coriander, chili, and turmeric. So in that goes, and then you can see I've got my glove on. I'm going to give that a little mix, and then we go straight over to the pan. Very, very easy and absolutely delicious. And like I say, adjust the vegetables as you want. This is what I've used, but you can use different stuff, can't you? So in my pan, I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We're going to drop in our vegetable mix, and I'm on an above medium heat, fairly vibrant heat, and we're going to go for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring often. Very, very easy. So there's only one more thing to do, and that is to add eggs. So I've got my eggs and I've beaten them. I'm using just about 4 eggs for this amount. Again, you can adjust that. And I'm going to cook my eggs fairly well done. You can do your eggs exactly how you want, but I'm going well done with it. Really easy, this, isn't it? And delightful. You can get some fresh mint in here, or some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Really versatile, you can adjust it exactly how you want. I'm going with some coriander in there, fresh coriander. Little mix, off you go, delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. If you like what you see, please do give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, we always like that, and subscribe. It does really help the channel out.